welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. I'm so happy you stopped by today. I'm going to be doing some cleaning. So if you stopped by for some cleaning motivation, you definitely stopped at the right place. I am going to be doing some cleaning in my kitchen, some eyeball cleaning and organizing. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of my New Year's tablescape. I'm going to get rid of that. I don't think I'm going to do another tablescape, but we'll see what I come up with. I'm also going to be looking in my junk drawer. Let me show you my junk drawer. All right, this is it. It's a mess. It's in the kitchen. And it needs some care. It's just got some miscellaneous stuff. So I just need to get this organized and figure it out. I go through this exercise periodically and it ends up being right just like this again. So I've got to do better. But anyway, if you want to see how I come up with an organization system that works for this, as well as my pantry over here, which is kind of in need of some care, then just keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this New Year's decor from my table. So I'm just pulling everything off and putting it aside so that I can get it washed up and stored away until I go with a black and gold theme again. So that's all I'm doing, is putting everything back. I really hate this process. I love putting the decor out, but putting it all back away and storing it is a pain. So let's get the table all cleaned off. I'm using the Sprayway glass cleaner. I had mentioned in another cleaning video that I was struggling with some cleaning supplies for the glass, and this is working out pretty good. I still need to pull out some coffee filters and use those instead of paper towel because it leaves a lot less streaks and whatnot. But this is what I'm using today and just getting it all cleaned up. And I'm just doing a real simple thing right now. I'm not even feeling like doing a tablescape, so I just put a big dough bowl there. And I'm putting some moss balls. I don't even have enough of them. So I have this package of moss that I'm putting in here just because I like that look. I'm really kind of into the Restoration Hardware inspired look. And so, you know, moss is one of the things that you see quite a bit in that. Very simple, but very nice at the same time. So that's all I'm going with for now. And let's get over here to this junky drawer. Now, as I'm going through this, I'm finding that some things have gotten pushed to the back that I forgot I had. And then I purchased them again, not knowing I had them. Story of my life. E6000 glue. I had a couple of those, a couple things of Scotch tape. So getting organized helps me to keep from purchasing duplicates. Now I'm just going to vacuum it out real quick, and then I'm going to clean it with some Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner in the mum scent. I love that scent. It smells so good. And junk drawers should smell good, shouldn't they? So I'm using these interlocking organizers that I picked up from TJ Maxx. And then I decided I'm not going to put my batteries back in my junk drawer because they take up a lot of real estate. And this is a perfect example of what gets pushed to the side. And I forget I have them or whatever. And I had purchased a smaller one of these about a year or two ago, but it just wasn't big enough to house all of the batteries that I have. So I picked up this one. That's called the Battery Daddy. And it's very large. It has lots of compartments for 180 batteries. So that's more than I'll probably ever have. But I do need to have a way to organize them because I use a lot of batteries, you know, for flashlights and my grandkids' toys and remote controls, garage door openers, you know, just everything needs batteries. So I want to have a nice stash of them, and especially since I am into being prepared for emergencies. So this will work out just fine. Now the battery compartment organizer, it sells at Bed Bath & Beyond, but you can also find it on Amazon. So this is the drawer all organized. It does look a lot better. It's still a junk drawer, so it's, you know, just a lot of miscellaneous things in here, but everything has a home now. I know what I have in here, and so I think I'm off to a very good start with this junk drawer. So now my challenge becomes keep it like this. So now let's just go ahead over here to the pantry. It's not horrible either. However, I have not gone through, rotated things, touched things in a while to make sure, that nothing has gotten pushed to the back with the expiration dates, and also just to kind of do inventory. Over the holiday, I did have company in the home for a while, and they were purchasing groceries and putting them in here. And so things just kind of got moved around, and I just need to see what I have and do inventory and see if I can get a little bit better organized. I'm always looking for new systems that work out better. So that's what I'm doing here. I picked up a couple of organizers from the TJ Maxx clearance sale, and one of them is that riser that I put back there. So I'm just putting some of my condiments under there and kind of stacking things just to kind of create a little bit more space. So this is what it's looking like. It looks probably the same to you, but it's definitely better. I know what I have. I also put this little rotating Lazy Susan in there and layered it again, which created more space for me. So now I do have enough room in here for whatever else I may need to purchase or stock back up on. And also I know that I have things organized in the order of expiration date so that I don't let anything spoil on me. So that's what I've done here. Again, my challenge is to keep it like this. I'm just one of those people that when I get to cooking or whatever, I may or may not put things right back where they belong. I need to do better, I know. But this is a story of my life. So right now I've gotten it together. I like it. And so now I'm inspired and decided to look at this spice cabinet that I have. So I had these So I have a spice drawer, but I also have a spice cabinet that's over the stove, very difficult to get to. And I was using just some bins to put overflow spices in, but I found that 2-layer organizer and I thought I'd give it a try. So I've put my spices in here, and my first go around with it was not successful because they were too tall to fit into the cabinet. And so I did have to go back and kind of revisit it to make sure that it fits. But this is how it turned out. It looks a lot better. I'm going to see how that works out. If it does, I will pick up a couple more of those because that'll make it a little bit easier to get to my spices and at least to be able to see when I'm looking up over here what I have a little bit better. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not currently subscribed. I would love to have you as a part of the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel over here, where I do all things home decor, home organization, clean with me videos, and a lot more. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye.